Hi everyone, welcome to Coding Drive. In this video we are going to learn about conditional operators, which are also sometimes called as ternary operators since they take three arguments. So let's look at the general form of conditional operators. So here is the syntax. In expression 1 we are going to place the condition like a greater than b or whatever condition you can think of, and then if the condition is true, that means that expression 1 is true, then only expression 2 will be executed, and if expression 1 is false, then expression 3 will be executed. And we can use nested conditional operators as well. Now let's see how we can implement these conditional operators in our Java program. So here we are going to create a very simple program where there will be two variables and we are going to find the greatest among them using conditional operators. So let's quickly create three variables: a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20, and I need one more variable which will be sum. Let's say we are basically going to store the result in sum. So sum equals to, here we need to write the condition. So if a is greater than b, then a will be stored, and if it is false, then b will be stored. So now let's print the result. Greatest. Let's run the program. So as you can see, 20 is greatest. So let's see how we can implement nested conditional operators. Now we need one more variable, c equals to 30. Now basically we are going to find out the largest among three numbers or three variables. So here it will first check if a is greater than b or not. If it is true, then it will check a is greater than c as well or not. Now again, if it is true, then a will be stored, otherwise c will be stored. And if it is false, then what will happen? So now we will check if b is greater than c as well or not. So if it is true, then b will be stored, otherwise c will be stored in sum. Now let's check. So here you can see 30 is the greatest. This is how you can implement conditional operators or ternary operators in your Java program. So I hope you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.